I'm Dr. Olivia, an academic, and welcome to the Science and Me YouTube channel. As you know, my friend Dr. Lilia and I are on a mission to introduce you to the fascinating world of popular science and to build a comprehensive popular science encyclopedia right here on YouTube. Today's video topic is going to be especially intriguing. For a moment, I'd like you to think about this. Exploring the intersection of science and AI, what's next? That's exactly what I'll be diving into with you. Before we get started, my dear friends, I want to take a moment to express our gratitude for the support you've shown us through your subscriptions and comments. It truly means the world to us. Now, if you're ready, let's dive straight into today's video. Hey, come back to the channel where we dive deep into the worlds of science, technology, and the ever-evolving tapestry of artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring a fascinating and, dare I say, transformative topic, the intersection of science and AI. But we're not just scratching the surface here. We're going to look at where we stand right now, what breakthroughs are just around the corner, and of course, my own predictions about where this wild journey might take us next. Let's kick things off with a quick recap of how AI has already revolutionized the scientific landscape. Think about CRISPR, the gene editing tool that's making waves in biotechnology. Sure, it's a scientific marvel on its own, but what's turbocharging its potential? You guessed it, artificial intelligence. AI algorithms are helping researchers predict off-target effects and optimize gene editing outcomes faster than any human could. And let's not forget about astrophysics. AI has been instrumental in analyzing the colossal amounts of data collected by telescopes, helping scientists identify exoplanets, map dark matter, and even detect gravitational waves. Imagine sifting through billions of data points. Impossible for us, but a walk in the park for a well-trained machine learning model. Now here's where things get really exciting. The present moment. We're seeing a convergence of AI with disciplines like neuroscience, climate science, and even quantum physics. Take neuroscience, for instance. AI is not just helping us understand the human brain, it's mimicking it. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of our own neural pathways, are becoming more sophisticated every day. Some researchers are even using AI to map the brain in ways that could unlock treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In climate science, AI is making waves by predicting weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy, modeling the effects of climate change, and even devising strategies for carbon capture and renewable energy optimization. And quantum physics? Well, let's just say AI is accelerating discoveries that could lead to quantum computing breakthroughs, a field that promises to redefine the very fabric of computational power. All right, so what's next? This is where we let our imaginations run wild, backed by scientific plausibility, of course. One area I'm particularly intrigued by is the concept of AI-driven personalized medicine. Imagine walking into a doctor's office where an AI system analyzes your genome, lifestyle, and medical history in real time to create a treatment plan tailored specifically to you. No more one-size-fits-all prescriptions. We're talking about medicine that evolves as you do. Another frontier? Space exploration. With AI-powered robotics and autonomous systems, we could soon have AI-driven probes mapping distant planets, mining asteroids for resources, and even assisting in human colonization efforts on Mars and beyond. NASA's Perseverance rover already uses AI to navigate the Martian surface, but this is just the beginning. Think bigger, bolder, and much farther away. But it's not all smooth sailing. We've got challenges to address: ethical dilemmas, biases in AI systems, and the ever-present fear of job displacement. These are real issues that demand thoughtful, inclusive solutions. The good news? The same AI systems causing these concerns can also be part of the solution, helping us build fairer algorithms and create new industries we haven't even imagined yet. Now for my own predictions. I believe we're on the cusp of a new paradigm where AI isn't just a tool, but a collaborator. In the next 10 to 20 years, I think we'll see AI systems capable of generating original scientific hypotheses, designing and conducting experiments, and even debating philosophical questions about the nature of existence. Picture this, a Nobel Prize awarded to an AI for solving one of humanity's greatest mysteries. It sounds like science fiction today, but so did landing on the moon in the 1960s. So what does all this mean for you, for us, for society? It means we're living in a time of unparalleled opportunity. The key is to stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay human. Because no matter how advanced AI becomes, the creativity, empathy, and moral compass that define us as humans will always be the driving force behind progress. Now I'm throwing the question back to you. What excites you the most about the future of science and AI? Do you have predictions, concerns, or ideas you want to share? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss what's coming next. Trust me, we've got some incredible topics lined up that you won't want to miss. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the intersection of science and AI. The future is happening now, and it's going to be one amazing ride.